EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn areas of parallelogram and triangle, in which we will cover triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. We know that the area of the parallelogram is the product of any side and the corresponding altitude. As suppose we have a parallelogram ABCD, then area of ABCD is equal to CD into BD. Now we come to triangles. Two triangles on the same base or between the same parallels are equal in area. Now suppose ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is a diagonal. Of parallelogram ABCD, let AN is perpendicular on DC. Now we know that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle CBA, and therefore area of triangle ADC is congruent or equal to area of triangle CBA. Therefore, area of triangle ADC is equal to half of area of parallelogram ABCD or half of DC into AN, because we know that area of parallelogram is equal to the product of its side and its corresponding altitude. So we can write area of triangle ADC is equal to half into base DC into corresponding altitude AN. So we can conclude from this result that area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle CBA, that two triangles on the same base or between the same parallels are equal in area. We have proved here. Now from this result that area of triangle ADC is equal to half into base of DC into corresponding altitude AN, we conclude that area of triangle is half the product of its base and corresponding altitude. Now there is one more result arise, that is two triangles with same base and equal areas will have equal corresponding altitudes. Therefore the triangle ADC and ABC have equal corresponding altitude AN. Now the converse of this theorem is also true, that is two triangles having the same base and equal areas lie between the same parallels. For example, if the two triangles with same base AC, that are ADC and ABC, are two triangles with same base AC and they have equal areas, then they lie between the same parallels, that is AB and DC. Now let's do example. Show that a median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal areas. Let ABC be a triangle and AD be one of its mediums. And now we have to prove that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Now let's draw AN perpendicular on BC. Now area of triangle ABD is equal to half into base into altitude of triangle ABD. So it is equal to half into BD into AN. So that is equal to half into CD into AN because BD is equal to CD. This is the area, or it is half into base into altitude of triangle ACD. This is equal to the area of triangle ACD. So the area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Hence, we can say a median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal areas.